long time no see.
I haven't seen you since last week.
How are you?
I feel really bad. I had a stomach ache since last night.
Oh no. Now, are you having a stomach ache?
Yes, I'm very weak.
You should go to see a doctor immediately.
Do you have free time?
Yeah. Now go.
Hi, your name is Ken?
Yes, my name is Ken.
How are you today?
I have a stomach ache and I feel very tired.
What did you eat?
Yesterday I ate tom papara.
I think you have gastritis. I will give you prescription for today and come back to check your symptoms.
Yes, thank you.
Take care yourself.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I have stomach ache but now I feel better.
It sounds good. I wish you recover quickly.
Thank you, my friend. Yeah, my friend.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you studying?
I'm studying at Nepal University, and you?
Really? Same too.
Wow! Sometime we should meet and I call you.
Okay, can you give me your phone number?
Yeah. Well, I must be going. It was nice meeting.
Bye. See you next time.
Nice to meet you. Bye.